So hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to see the top AI tools for content creators. So let's get started.
Jasper AI is a leading AI-powered writing assistant built for creators who want to produce high-quality content at lightning speed. With dozens of templates from SEO blogs to Facebook ads, Jasper helps you skip the blank page syndrome. Jasper saves hours of brainstorming and writing by generating high converting content in minutes. After signing for free, you will find this page appear on your desktop, and here it is asking you the company you work in. I selected the education one and we proceed further. Now it is asking the size of your company, and I selected 2001 to 5000, and it is asking the work do you do, and I have selected the marketing one. And now on the another page you will have to describe your marketing function, and I have selected the content one and I proceed further. Now we have to name our workspace. As you can enter the name that you want, and I have selected the Jenny marketing one. After entering, you have to proceed further, and now you have to share the URL of the blog post, but if you don't have, you can skip for now by clicking that button. And now it is creating the space and give you the plan. Here you will find the Creator Pro and Business plan. You can select anyone you want. Descriptive is a revolutionary AI editing platform that lets you edit video, audio like editing a Google Doc. It's a game changer for podcast editors and YouTubers who want fast, efficient editing. It will slash editing time by 70%, edit via transcript, add subtitles, and publish in one tool. It's fast, clean, and ideal for batch content creation. It is best for podcasters, video editors, interview content. In this, you will get audio plus video tool in one. Multi-track editing with timeline view.
Imagine creating stunning videos without cameras, actors, or editors. That's what Synthesia offers. With AI avatars and text to video technology, it's a dream tool for videos, content creators, and educators. Forgot long shots and costly edits. Create videos with just a script. Ideal for e-learning, brand storytelling. It is best for YouTube intros, explainer videos, course content. Here you doesn't need any technical skill. Here you have global reach with multi-language support. Personal avatar for authentic brand, and 125 plus AI avatar and voice style.
Need catchy headlines, CTAs, or email campaigns in seconds? Copy.ai delivers powerful AI generated marketing copy for brand and solopreneurs. Copy.ai helps create scale copy productions and maintain brand consistency across channels, no writing blogs ever again. It is best for marketers, email campaigns, social media captions. It has a great for social plus email marketing. It also have fast output for personalization and easy A/B testing. Its key features are AI blog wizard, LinkedIn post generator, social media content tool, brand voice library, and many more.
That's it for now, and if you want more detail about AI, you can visit our website name upgradient.ai, where you find all the information about AI. And let me know in the comment which AI tool you like the most, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.